Yeah, man. I'm just about to leave the gym. All right. Let's walk on out of here after my workout.
Bye.
Yeah. One of the first things I did when I moved to this country was to sign up with a gym. That was way back when. And it's highly recommended. I would highly recommend that you sign up with a gym as well. Benefits of working out outweighs the cons. I've been going to this particular gym there for 20 years. This very same gym. Started in 2005. When I relocated, when I got employed in this city here, I signed up with the local gym out here. It belongs to the college, the local college here, but I highly recommend it. I will always have a gym membership, not because I'm into looks or anything like that. It's just for your health. At least 10 to 15 minutes a day could work wonders for you, in addition to going to the doctor, which I will talk about next in the next video. So 10 to 15 minutes walk, maybe 10 minutes bicycle. That's 25 to 30 minutes. 5 days a week. Anyway, we're not here to talk about gym today. What the? Let's head on over there to get some Guyanese food after the gym. Get me some Guyanese food and then head on home after work. Oh, je suis sorti au gym là-bas. C'est ça, moi, décadé en anglais. Pour faire exercice tous les jours. Oh ben, comment ça fait? Si vous souhaitez pour 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, vous souhaitez vous marcher tous les jours. Et qui est bon pour sentir. Parce que nous venons l'Amérique. Et puis à 6 heures de mode party, à 6 heures de l'office. Gym ça, moi join gym ça plus qui 20 années passées. Et chaque jour moi dedans. L'aimant ça, là c'est tout pour déjeuner. Moi quand dépasser ça sur gym. Après ça Simoni yon de dit ça pour déjeuner, moi quand prend 45 minutes pour aller à the gym pour faire exercice. À présent, je vais acheter manger hors de restaurant Guyane, mon Guyane. Parce que mon faim. C'est pas tout le temps que manger hot Guyane. Parce que manger est cher. C'est mon là qui vend cabrit. Viens cabrit cher. Oh ben c'est là que je dit AJ Caribbean Taste. C'est là que je pour acheter, pour gagner manger. Good Lord. Yeah, my man. Let's get the no fried rice. I don't really like fried rice. Let me have the rice, that rice and that cabbage. Goat. To go. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try the cherry. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. I'll give it to my wife.
That's what I'm saying. From there, they send them come here because the whole holiday got is only gone food. All right, let's good. Very good, man.
Yeah, I'm trying the cherry.
You're lucky.
You think so?
That's really good.
All right, I take your word for it. Oh,
Yeah, that's good.
good? All right. I'm just printed.
That's you guys here, right?
Where?
Across?
No, I'm on the other building.
No, but it's your guys' company, no?
No, that's the sheriff. That's the court welfare. We with the different office.
Aren't you Hanini?
No,
Oh, I thought you were a Hanini.
no, that's not me.
Hanini bought over this building.
They maybe did.
Yeah.
They did.
They did this one and the other court one.
Oh, I didn't know. They buying everything down here, so I don't know. They bought this? Actually bought the whole building? Yeah, and the one that we're in is crappy too, so I'm not surprised this might be crappy. So.
Now they fixing the whole thing. They're doing a Medicaid office there, the guys out there.
Yeah, send me the other one. They're fixing it, but it's still crappy. I mean, the elevator's not even working. It's only one elevator for 3,000 people, so I can just imagine. But they got the money, though. They got the money. All right.
All right, boy.
Oh, ben ça. Mon fini et puis ça. Yes, I'm done with my Guyanese food. My Guyanese people there. Wish I buy food from them. I'll show you the price about that shit. Just a second. Show you the price on this thing here. Check the price. It's like $24, $25. So if you have a restaurant out here, you could make a lot of money selling goat food. Goat food. Sell a lot of goat food. Not goat food. Goat food. Mwen ka di mwen chou mwen ka moutre moun ti moun la pou ya. Si ou vin la ou tou komanse au restaurant ou ka van kabwit. Vie kabwit pou tout lanje sa $25. Men on sa obite se nom la sa. Se nom la sa bou yi manje. Ça doux, ça bon. Wipa bon. Nice meal. Oh ben, vamos ver o travail avant. Non bloody mon pour pas vivre encore. Donc where's all on l'autre temps.
To cross Washington at Raymond. Raymond. Walking signs on Wipa.
As you can see, I'm one of these fools who spend a lot of money on buying food. I spend a lot of money buying food, which I will talk about in the next video.